Don't toss out that graduation cap, and definitely don't toss it into a shadow box. Let's get creative and turn it into a fashion-forward purse. You ready? Let's get started. You'll need your graduation cap, upholstery fabric, a purse strap, fabric glue, binder clips, embroidered applique, and an iron. First, cut off the cap part of the hat, leaving the top piece to use. Next, cut a piece of fabric a ½ inch larger than the graduation cap on all four sides. Fold a ½ inch section of the fabric over and glue it down. This will be the top. On the bottom of that piece, snip the corners in at a diagonal and glue under onto the bottom inside of the graduation cap. Glue the two remaining sides into the cap and clip them down to secure while they dry. Apply your applique on the front of the cap using the iron. Hand stitch a metal strap onto the top corners. And there you have it, your graduation cap graduated onto becoming a very smart purse.